Alright guys, so today's video is going to be very cool. We got an unboxing, but for me it's a special one. Alright, and it's super good news. Alright, super good news. You guys are aware that soon I'll be doing a full rebuild on this. Alright, it's well overdue. This thing has been bulletproof, right? This is nothing, this is durable, this truck. This RC here, alright? I jump this shit, I kill it. Alright, I pull my daughter's 50cc ATV with it. It's due for bearings. How do I know? Well, I don't just have hours on here. I have miles. I've driven miles on this. Literally. Alright, that's a whole nother story. When we start building this, I'll bring up some stories, I guess. I don't know if I remember. You guys remind me, but let me just tell you, let me just show you how bad I need bearings. Alright, the hubs are tight. The hubs are on tight, Loctite, man. You guys know I tighten my shit up, right? Well, check this out. Huh? What's this? Huh? Zah. Zah. Yeah, those are nice, crunchy bearings, kid. You know what? Original bearings. Original. Yeah, pretty much all of them. Got a crazy play on it, all right? Man, I've done jumps with this. Crazy jumps with this. I can't believe how this fat bastard RC can control in the air for a fit scale, man. It's really, all right? And I didn't even have that much of a crazy engine in here. You know, you don't need crazy engines here. Unfortunately, I'm going to do a crazy engine here because I promised I was going to do that. And we will have a ported 46 RC Max in here. Brapping, kicking ass, and who knows? Maybe blowing up shit up. Who knows? But I will have it here for a while, for a little bit. And then I can't wait to stick a regular engine in here and just call it a day. All right? Because next year I'm going to be very busy, guys. I'm going to love the... Well, I got some nitro stuff happening. But I want to try to focus and put some time towards the drag racing. All right? I have a lot of work to do on this. I got some work to do on my Baja after this. But I will not be showing the work I do to my Primal RC Dragster because this year it's going to be different. Last year I was just toying around. You know, I wanted to show you guys what a newbie like myself, you know, how I got into it. You know, simple as that. I showed you guys the best I could. You know, I'm not no professional, but I showed you everything that I did to my Baja. You know, and I'm not even a pro. You know, I'm new to that. I was a newbie to that. You know, so, but this year, I won't be showing that. Nothing. I have a few changes. And it's nothing really much. But maybe at the end of the year, if I do any good, if I can get any trophy or whatever, I'll show you guys. All right, I'll show you guys what I did. I'll show you guys everything that I did. But for now, I'm keeping everything quiet. Yes, you guys will see it. You guys will see this, but you're not going to know what I did to it. All right, I won't, you know, you're not going to know until I show you guys at the end of the year. Okay, so back to this. Right now, it's winter time and holidays. You know, Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays, however way you want to say it. All right, but let's get downstairs because we got some super important news. Super important new parts for this, upgraded parts for this that must be known and must be shown. All right, down here in my basement, chilling. All right, so let's unbox this and let's show you guys what we got here. Thanks to Detroit Performance RC kit. I still haven't not had time to run my Baja at all. Like, not even fire it up. It's been down here. And now I'm running out of time. There's some bodies I want to send over to Pit Dog Hydro. There's a lot of stuff that I got to do. Yeah. And then next thing I got to do is clean up this basement. And then I definitely won't be doing any RC wrenching down here until till after Christmas. All right. So yeah, we got some unboxings. We got unboxing from UK still to do. A little goodie here that I got from Sears. I wanted to show you guys. And that's it. So let's get this unboxed. What we got here? I am super excited to announce. Oh, we got some goodies here as well. For all you MTXL next level bashers, check it out. We got ourselves some serious, very important titanium pins for the MTXL. All right. Some will say this is the MTXL's weakest point. All right, where the diffs are. Oh, thanks for the stickers as well, John. I appreciate that. You guys know. Look, my MTXL, it's not down here. You will see it soon. We will be stripping it all apart, and I will be talking about it. But I just want to let you know, my MTXL was the first generation MTXL. The first line of MTXL. The second batch of MTXLs. The second run. All right. However way you want to call it. Supposedly there was something, they used the crappy bearings. The bearings took a crap on the diffs, and then that's what made the rear diff break. Split on people. Mine did not. And I ran mine. I never replaced my bearings on my diffs. All right. We will be doing a full force bearing replacement. I got plenty of full force bearings for MTXL. All right. Yes, there are other bearings. You can install whatever bearings you want, whatever you have. This is what my local hobby store carries, and this is what I bought. Okay. There are not many people doing next level MTXLs. Well, there's like a handful of them, but the main issues are in the diffs. It's a damn shame that the MTXL was not given to us with 5T drivetrain setup. You know what I'm saying? That's something Horizon Hobby should have done. You know, they based the MTXL off the Dbxl. Yo, the MTXL will run over a Dbxl. There are two different cars, two different RCs, two different feelings, two different types of runs, two different types of funs. All right? MTXL's fun as hell. Okay. Dbxl is great as well, okay? But they're two different cars. Meanwhile, they share the same types of diffs. All right? I really wished that the MTXL had 5T diffs, but we don't. Because then it would have been easier. We could have ran a bunch of 5T upgrades on our MTXLs. So we're limited. So there are some great diffs setups out there for the MTXL as well, but it's harder to get. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass to find. Well, I've been saving up parts for a year and a half now, over a year. You guys are aware of that. I got some heavy-duty, nice-ass diffs, housings from FID. I gotta say thanks to FID because no one else carries diff upgrades for them. So, shame on them. Simple as that. There's a ton of 5T stuff out there. There's a ton of Baja stuff out there from all types of people. Intergy, King Motor, Roven, GBE, Turtle Racing. So many people makes upgraded training differential housings, transmission cases for the Baja, for the 5T platform. So many people, but not many for the Dbxl, not many for the MTXL. So I have no choice to get FID. All right, Area was a great company. I don't see Area stuff anymore, but let me tell you something. These FIDs are a force to be reckoned with. All right, serious right here. All right, yeah, they weigh a little, but they're strong as hell. So who knows? Maybe I could upgrade my MTXL diffs better than a 5T. Who knows? Especially now with the titanium pins, kid. This is so important, guys. Get out there. I'm telling you right now, man. I've had this here for 2 weeks. For over 2 weeks, man. All right? I had this here for 2 weeks. I should have had unboxed this already a while ago. I was in the middle of this build. I'm also very busy at the fire department, at my job, with my kids, motorcycle club. It's holiday season, people. I have Christmas parties to attend. Forget about it. I'm lucky enough that I've been working on this every night, and I finally completed it. You know. So anyway, listen. Get out there. If you're doing a crazy ass MTXL build, if you're not doing an MTXL build, if you want a strong ass MTXL, I'm telling you right now, my stock one has been strong. I have no problems with it. But if you're gonna be, and I've put a recase through it. I had an OBR recase through it. I've had the stock engine in there doing very well with a 15 tooth. I had a OBR recase on there for a long time as well with a 19 tooth pinion, and I've been jumping it, and my pin's been holding up. My bearings now took a crap, as you can see when we were in the garage. But once you start throwing like next level shit, like stuff that is a no-no, that does not belong there, like an RC Max engine. Look at this baby here. Look at this sexy thing right here, huh? This sexy heart. It's a heart, people. This will come to life, real life soon. And I got a badass titanium pipe. That's probably going to be the only pipe that I never chrome, and I may never do a ceramic coating on it. It really should be ceramic coated. But man, that's a titanium pipe, people. That's sexy as hell. You know, and pricey, but what are you going to do? All right? So I don't know. I still may ceramic coat it. But yeah, man. So people, we got this. That does not belong on an MTXL. We're going to be doing that soon. All right? We will do that. We will run it. Because we run our shit. We're going to run it hard. I'm going to try to... I can't do too many crazy shits with it because I have no roll bar. The freaking MTXL doesn't have a roll cage like the F5T does. This protects everything. Understand? So, you know, I could jump it off stuff. If it lands on its roof, fine. Stock setup with a regular engine, you got a roll bar like this, a roll cage like this. That's on the engine, which is cool. This does help people. Let me tell you something. I've cracked MTXL bodies, but I've never damaged the engine, even landing on its roof, man. I've done crazy jumps and had hard landings and always made it through, always ran. One time I had a head-on collision with a X-Max. Went right through that damn X-Max. You know what I'm saying? And I still ran the whole day. X-Max had to get repaired. But, yeah, man. So, if we had some sort of... That engine is just too big. It's not meant for the MTXL, but I said I was going to do it. I'm going to do it. It's not going to be in my MTXL for long. I'll tell you right now. All right, so that I guarantee you. Because my MTXL, I want to have fun with it. I'm not a guy that's going to go up and down with an MTXL, people. MTXL is meant to be climbing shit. Jumping, climbing hills, doing crazy stuff. It's not for... listen, we have 5Ts. We have Dbxls. We have Bajas for speed. What the... You don't get an MTXL to do speed runs, people. You don't get an MTXL to drive flat. It's ridiculous. You keep it stock and blast with it. Or build yourself an ESP engine. Throw an OBR freaking recase in there, if anything. Throw a Bartolone 32 in there. That screams and has good power. Throw a Bartolone 34. Throw a OBR 34. Do something. Throw a freaking 30.5 in there. Throw an OBR recase 30.5. Long stroke. There's so many engines you can put and use this roll cage on the MTXL and have fun with it. I guarantee you it'll probably be your favorite RC. Fifth scale basher fits RC. I can pretty much guarantee it. All right. But anyways, just to let you guys know, even if you just want a strong diff, all right, we got the pins now, people. This was supposedly the weakest link on the MTXL. If you have good housings, good diff housings like that from FID, since Total Racing don't want to make us any diffs, we can run these titanium pins, lightweight, super strong as hell. I forgot what grade he said this was. This is the strong titanium. There's two types of titanium grades. This is the strength one, all right? And this is the full pin set, all right? I want to do all my diffs with this. We will be going over my diffs. We will be putting new oil in there and installing these pins. And hopefully have a strong and hopefully bulletproof diffs. Bulletproof, I don't know what it'll be. I do not know. I don't know. With an engine like that, anything can happen. But whatever. If something breaks, I will replace it. It's as simple as that. All right? And that's it. So, but I'm super happy, man. Look at this. There are guys out there thinking about us, want us to go next level with our BRAP heads, with our BRAP RCs. And much respect to companies like this. Detroit Performance RC, man. Big shout out to you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Next level thinking. You're thinking about us. You want to go further. You want to take things to another limit. Next level. Simple as that. All right. So big shout out to you guys. And since we're here talking about Detroit Performance RC, let's see what else I got. What else? These are beautiful inserts. You know that? These are sexy as hell. These are some beautiful inserts, man. Beautiful inserts. I may just use these on my MTXL build. Who knows? Or this would look badass right here on my X2. The blue. I don't know. This will look badass on my Q. It really would. Oh shit, my Baja Q would be sick. Or can you imagine these chromed up on my LOSI 5T? Zah. Yeah, man, so very nice. And this here is just a clutch bell that I needed. All right, hardened and vented. All right, you guys know what clutch bells look like. And that's it. All right, I got a couple of more goodies coming from Detroit Performance RC. But I had to make this video just about this. And heads up, you guys seen some goodies here as well. You guys see an update of what I'm up to. So, you know, there's lots of stuff going on here. Stay tuned. But this is the most important good news what we got here. All right. Get yourself your titanium pins. Probably one of the most important upgrades you could do to MTXL if you want to go next level. If you guys order this through Detroit Performance, just give John sometimes a day or two, because he has them. They're ready to go. But I'm just telling you, get them while they last. We don't know if this is gonna be a continued run. Get them while they're here, while they're available. I will be getting a second set. Yes, titanium is not supposed to break. It's supposed to last you forever. All right, it's supposed to last you a long ass time. But I need another set just in case. I may get another MTXL or whatever, or you never know. You know, I can always, it doesn't hurt. I can keep it here somewhere. I can, you know, if I ever need it, boom, I got it. If I ever lose one, I can put another titanium pin back in. All right, so that's why I need a second set. I want to let everybody know about this. This is serious news right here. Titanium pins for the MTXL. Get them while they last. Just give John a day or two. All right, you must request for this. Give him a day or two. Don't be like rushing for this. All right, have a good one.